NAEYC is known as National Association for the Education of Young Children. Early childhood education programs are accredited by NAEYC, which means every child deserves access to the best early learning experiences. NAEYC is continuously improving its program to provide the best possible education opportunities for children around the world. My job as an educator is to follow all guidelines, making sure that my class is prepared for safety standards. Walking into a classroom, a parent wants to know that their child is provided a safe and physically healthy environment. Having the class clean and every area that has been played and sanitized ensures the parents that their child is left in good hands. Proper hand washing skills will be implemented before class, after the restroom breaks, and before and after lunch. Having these hand washing routines will limit the spread throughout the classroom as well as the school. Keeping positive relationships with the children, encouraging each one's sense of individual work. For example, giving them a high five or 2 claps and a good job. The little things that we do encourage them to keep going, knowing their likes and dislikes, as well as keeping their emotional and physically a priority will ensure a happy child and even a happier parent, which will give us an easier and learning space or classroom. I will send weekly planning home to keep the parents in touch with what's being taught at school so they can take over at home. I go by this saying, it takes a village to raise a child. We are a team now. Let's keep it going. I will provide ongoing assessments every 3 months to make sure that the parent knows the child's developmental progress. This will also keep an open line of communication with any questions, and every question will get answered in a timely manner. Every staff member will have the knowledge, education, as well as qualifications to promote a healthy learning facility and support families' diverse interests and needs no matter what the learning curve a child has.